Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, leather seats, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.